Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Friday. It's September 5th, I believe. Yep, September 5th. It's 8:08 in the morning. I've been out here since about 6:45 and just working on this truck. So check this out. So here's what we got here. I'm on the, it's kind of hard to see, I'm on the passenger side door jamb, and I went ahead and re-skimmed all metal. This is all wet right now, but I re-skimmed it all the way down, okay, on this edge. So when I get back from taking my wife to work here in about 30 minutes, I'll sand this down, and then we'll probably, depends on what it needs. But I also need to take my little grinder and hit these spots here where they're white and kind of clean this up, and I want to kind of clean up in here a little bit. And then I'm going to come right here and start working this jam. Working and filling this jam and getting this dialed in and working my way down. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the first part of the day anyway. So I'm just out here rocking. You know, sometimes you know you have time if you just get up and go do the thing, right? Even if you don't want to get up and go do the thing. It's like going to the gym in the morning, right? Or taking that walk. It's kind of, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do if you want to make any progress, right? So I want to get this where it needs to be as soon as possible. So that's what we're doing. I'm making it a priority. Got my little mixing table over here. And it's 8:09. I'm putting all metal on. There's the hardener and my little mix table. We cut the spreaders into thirds like this. Is just way easier to manage doing these small areas. But as soon as I'm done applying it and it starts drying, I run over here with a paper towel and wipe it off the spreader. Try to clean that up. So, for those of you that have not seen yesterday's video, it was a pretty big day for the Apache. Big Ron did some really good work here on the firewall. The top of the firewall is ready to prime pretty much. Today he's going to work on the bottom half, so from here down he'll be working on. From here up is pretty much there. As far as all the holes we welded up and all the things, it's looking pretty good. He's also been working these areas down here where we put all the patch panels on and we have welds and stuff. He's working this door jamb just like I'm working that door jamb, right? Trying to clean them up, get them where we want it, smoothed out and all the things. And that's kind of the idea. Now, the big thing that happened yesterday is we went to National Parts Depot and bought a Fender. Driver's side rear. So if you guys remember, this fender over here, right there, has the wheel well for the spare tire. We're not running a spare tire on the side of the truck, or at all. So we needed to kind of get the right fender, and this is the right fender. And man, is it good quality. The guys over at National Parts Depot were amazing. You know, drove up there to Ocala and they pulled this out in the box, told them what I wanted, they went and got it, pulled it out of the box, looked at it, it was absolutely perfect, not a dent, scratch, flaw in it. It's a little dusty right now from all the bodywork, but from yesterday, but fit amazing. It's heavy duty, it's good quality, everything I could want out of a fender for this truck. So super happy with this. Now, this fender has inspired me to replace the other fender because it's a little rough and I don't actually have the tools currently to fix it, like shrink stretcher, English wheel, those kind of things, like metal shaping tools. I don't really have that to get this radius here because it's not a 90 and I don't want it to be a 90, right here. So I can put a 90 on it, but there's an actual bend there, and I need to get that right if I'm going to do it. And the same here. And that's not just a straight, you know, so there's work, and this is rough, you know. You know, we got a hole there. This is where that plate was. Got a hole there. Got some holes back here. Moral of the story is, to put a new fender on here, which all I got to do is block down and prime, is $440. And I don't have to worry about it anymore. So I think I'm going to do that. But I am going to go ahead, whenever we do it here, either this weekend or beginning of next week, when we prime the doors here, when they're ready, we're going to go ahead and prime this fender inside and out as well with epoxy, just so it's always a good fender. We have it if somebody needs it. If we need it down the road on another truck, we have it, right? There's no sense in killing it. We put a lot of work and time into it. I probably got 8 hours in that fender. So, you know, definitely something we want to keep. But for now, this is what we've got. It's Bodywork Day. You know, it's not sexy until you prime it. You know, just kind of the way it works. But this will look really different by the end of the day. All of these areas here, we'll really get into there and start knocking this down. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you this stuff, kind of recap yesterday, and I'm gonna stop talking and start skimming and keep working here, and I'll bring you as much footage as I can today of us doing this, and we'll just go from there. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. We're still sanding. It's 4:04. Still blocking. Making some progress on these areas. The top of the firewall is pretty much ready for primer. Bottom is getting really close. I hit this spot here, this. That's just the first skim, getting it in the zone. I don't think I need another one here. I'll probably do another skim on this guy here of all metal. I have not gotten to all this. Just have not yet, but we're not done yet. I've been sanding on this. It was dramatically harder to sand than I expected. Worked on it for hours, actually. But it's really turning out pretty good. Pretty happy with it so far. So, feeling good here. Got to get a little work done here, which I'll probably do here in a minute. And then I'm going to wipe this down to here. And I'm going to skim this with all metal. And at least get that drying so tomorrow morning I can come out and start sanding. And just keep working this and trying to get it there. But we are getting there, boys. We did make some progress out here on the 40 Ford. So, is it up here? No. So, I was going to show you the switch. So we believe the switch is bad on the power windows. Or power trunk, I should say. So we ordered a new one from Yogi's today, Yogi's Rod Shop. So it's coming. Wasn't bad. It was like 20 bucks to the door. But we got power to the switch. The switch doesn't do anything, and we got power to the back. It's weird. So I think the switch might have got a little water in it back in the day, and here we are. So gonna get that in here when it comes in. But really, the big news of the day, you know, well, not even the big news of the day. You guys saw this yesterday, dash is out. We're still working on all that stuff a little bit here and there, but the big news of the day is right here. Just body working this firewall and this cab, trying to dial it in. I think Ron did a little more work on the jam. We're really trying to prime this Sunday or Monday. So the cab, the whole cab, for the most part. So much as we can anyway. So to do that, a lot of body work's got to happen, right? So we just keep working these areas, just keep dialing them in. You know, here soon, that side over there will look like this. We'll keep rocking that and keep getting it in the world, and just before you know it, you're there. So stay tuned. I'm going to keep going here. Ron's going to keep going here for a little bit. We'll probably got another 45 minutes, an hour in us, and probably be done around 5. We're going to just keep going tomorrow. So, you know, Bodywork is not fast. Not fast at all. But truck's coming together. So really, really happy with it. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Stay tuned. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe. Don't leave. All right, guys. So it's about 5 o'clock. We're wrapping up here. And actually it's 5 o'clock on the dot. Went ahead and got this skimmed with all metal and to here. So tomorrow morning I'll get up early. I'll probably get up at 6 or something, come out here and start sanding. And we'll get this sanded down and then we'll hit it again. And then I'll take my wife to work and come back and keep working on it. So trying to work my way over, right? I do have a little work to do right here tomorrow. I want to fill those in. But yeah, starting to look like something, which is pretty exciting. So another step closer. It's getting ready to pour. We just rolled up all the windows, put the windows back in the thing. But Big Ron made good headway today. We're almost done with the firewall. I'd say tomorrow we should be pretty close, be ready to prime it. And then we'll work on back in those areas and coming around this cowl here and just dialing this in. I'm gonna come down this with all metal and fill all these imperfections and get that cleaned up. And it'll basically be, so if you're wondering what I mean, I'm gonna do this. And that side will mirror this side and we should be looking pretty good. So anyways, guys, if you're watching this, please like and subscribe. We'd love to have you. Thanks again to everybody who's been watching, both long-term viewers and new viewers. We really, really appreciate y'all. Channel's doing great. Really, really happy. We just want to keep growing. But yeah, I think we're gonna sweep up, and I think I need to help Ron do that. And call it a night, boys. So see you in the morning. We'll be right back here on the 58 Chevy Apache, getting closer and closer to primer. And really turning a corner on this where you don't see all the welds and all the things, where all that's kind of gone and we're just blocking, right? Blocking and sanding. So stay tuned for all that. And again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great night.